Alright guys, so I think we are back on track with Tanner's build after those few hiccups you saw. So moving forward, one of the big things I was waiting on were valve springs. So these are 26986, just like on my car. Ready to get to work on that. But first, I wanted to go ahead and chat a little bit about the channel. I found myself at some opportunity, and the friends within my group agree. You know, I help you guys out with these how-to, these walkthroughs, whatever. And I bring that up because we're going to be visiting other platforms. Now, it's not going to be as dominant as Gran-Ams. My name will always stay the same on here, and it'll always be a Gran-Am heavy page. Two that come to mind are going to be the Camaros. There's some stuff that Albert and Brad are going to have done, you know, they feel can be shared. You'll be seeing some of those kind of thrown in. And then Kyle, who you've seen on the channel before too, he has a newer Tacoma, and he's going to be doing some, you know, customizing too. And again, there he feels there's not much coverage. We can take advantage of having an outlet like this to get the how-to and walkthroughs out there for the stuff that he's going to be putting on that truck. Just wanted to bring that up before I just started throwing stuff out there and confusing everybody. Enough about that. Let's check out my find real quick, and then we're going to jump into getting this motor built. So I was going to wait, but I really can't wait to share this just because I was pretty excited about this find. As you guys know, I've been kind of back and forth the junkyard getting parts for the motor and everything, and I came across these. So these are the SCT embroidered seats from 05. That was like a special package, and it's from a coupe, so even better. And I'm going to go ahead and throw these in my car, and then we're going to take the 30th anniversary ones out of my car and throw them in Tanner's, and then we'll just get rid of his normal leather. Good stuff. Yeah, motor's back together. This is just sitting on here because now we're back to the 3.5 swap stuff. A couple of things I had to address and show you guys is working on the AC compressor and the coil pack situation. That'll all be on the 3.5 spot videos, so look forward to that. So everything's back together here, everything's torqued down, and yeah, I'm pretty much ready to go. So addressed a couple of things for the swap video while it's still out, and I can work on it and hopefully get it put back in for that video. Everything in here is pretty much ready. Nothing further on the interior as of right now, but I should be going here in a few days, within the week, to get all the rest of the interior he needs, so he can start assembling all that. Other than that, everything else is pretty much done. Yeah, so we'll end this one off there, and you guys will start seeing some different videos coming out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.